Hi everyone, Soren here, head teacher at RMS Vocal Institute. I have a little announcement to make. Basically, our standard lessons and each lesson within the bundles will change from 75 minutes to 60-minute lessons. We have talked with quite a few of our students and they all agreed that the value of the lesson would not change with that little decrease in time. We did this instead of raising the price of our lessons. Remember, we also started having these 30-minute mini lessons, and you can even win one of them. So we hope that this is something that you all agree and are okay with. So the deadline to be able to buy the 75-minute lessons is the 31st of October. After that, meaning the 1st of November, it will start being 60-minute lessons for each inside the bundle or every standard lesson. See you there, Screamers. Cannot wait to have a lesson with you.